Have you ever wondered why a cake rises, turns golden brown, and tastes so incredibly delicious? Spoiler alert, it's not just magic, it's science. Hi everyone, welcome to where we explore the fascinating world of science in everyday life. Today, we're diving into the chemistry of baking a cake. Trust me, by the end of this video, you'll never look at your mixing bowl the same way again. Every cake begins with a few key ingredients: flour, sugar, eggs, butter, and leavening agents like baking soda or baking powder. But here's the thing, these aren't just random ingredients, they're chemicals waiting to react. When you mix baking soda or baking powder into your batter, they release carbon dioxide gas when they meet heat, or an acid like buttermilk or vinegar. These tiny bubbles of gas get trapped in the batter, making your cake rise and become fluffy. It's like a science experiment in your oven. Now, here's where the real magic, or science, happens. As the cake bakes, the heat causes the proteins in the eggs and flour to coagulate, or solidify, giving the cake its structure. At the same time, the sugars caramelize, and the Maillard reaction kicks in, turning the surface of your cake into that beautiful golden brown we all love. Heat it up, watch it rise, chemistry before your eyes. From batter to cake, it's a science parade. Baking's the magic that's made. And there you have it, the sweet science of baking. Every bite of cake is a delicious reminder of how chemistry shapes our world. So next time you're in the kitchen, remember, you're not just a baker, you're a scientist. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your fellow science and baking lovers, and don't forget to subscribe for more fun, educational content. Until next time, keep experimenting, keep learning, and keep baking. Bye.